Right now, we're at the Pikos Institute, and it is like the center for learning everything there is to know about implants. This is the starting point to continue to bring more implant services in-house. It's the building blocks to go to the next level.
These lectures have been absolutely dynamic. The speakers are phenomenal. Each one of them, Dr. Bosma, Katsakis, Dr. Panos, Dr. Pikos, all of them, they are so great at taking all this information and putting it into this concise lecture to where you feel like you are constantly applying in your mind situations to your own practice.
This foundational course is really nice because it covers everything from the basic biology, wound healing, everything that you kind of need to know up through simple implant placement to soft tissue grafting, immediate placement, things that I would have never probably attempted. Now I would feel comfortable enough to go back and start introducing those.
The hands-on workshops are really cool because you take all this information that they talk about, which is obviously very engaging, and you see it on these slides, but then you get to actually replicate it yourself, and you get to basically practice what they are preaching. And it's cool because you can actually lock in that information for whenever you go back to your own practice and you're working on actual people. So it's a cool experience, and I feel like it helps you to just hone it in that much more. MODIS wants us to be specialists in our field, and so we're able to, basically enhance our skills so that we can do anything for our patients. And having courses like this, it allows us to do a whole lot more and learn from some who have been doing this for years and years.
We became part of MODIS about a year ago now. We didn't have a cone beam. We didn't have access to a 3D printer. So those were two big kind of purchases that we were able to make with MODIS within, 6 months of the transition. For me, that's been able to plan the implant cases. We've been able to print surgical guides in office, things that used to take us weeks to kind of put together and pay significantly more for. It's brought the cost down.
We joined the MODIS community back in August, and it's been a terrific ride so far. And having access to great clinicians that are part of the MODIS group is one of the great things that this community has brought to our practice. And after this continuum's done, I'll be going to Innovative Dental to meet with Dr. Olson to see how he does things and his take on full arch implants. And it's just going to be an amazing collaboration to help jumpstart me on that journey to bring the full arch implants into our practice. And I've never been a part of a community that's been able to do that.
Even if we only incorporate simple implant placement, simple socket graft, there's still massive production to gain from that. If I place one already, I have one next week, I have another one the week after. I've already had patients kind of lined up where I grafted a couple months ago, so we're doing the surgical planning and getting everybody scheduled. So, it's something we've already been able to start.
10 years ago, when I was first started practicing and I was getting into placing implants, I was placing maybe one implant a month, and then I went through probably about 6 or 7 years where I didn't place any implants. Since starting up this course, my implant production has ramped up exponentially. Just last week I placed 8 implants, which is the most that I've ever placed in 1 week. And so just from these first 3 courses has really helped build my confidence, and that has impacted my business in a very positive way by being able to place more dental implants in-house, and which is more profitable for our practice.
I personally have probably doubled or tripled the number of implants I'm placing ever since starting this course. Implants are something that I feel like are the forefront of dentistry, and being able to do that, we're able to basically provide this product that we can be proud of, but then also that our patients are highly satisfied with. If you're wanting to enhance your skills and improve your production, ultimately becoming a part of the MODIS community is going to guaranteed improve that. You are going to be able to increase your schedule, you're going to be able to bring in a lot more implant patients, basically high paying patients, and your patient satisfaction is going to go up directly from that, because you are providing now a better product that's going to last longer, and you have this MODIS community of individuals who know exactly what to do in just about every possible scenario.